Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia C31 to an Android device. Firstly, you need to open Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Now get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. To use Send Anywhere app, you need to do exactly the same on those two smartphones. Click on I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about newsletters and updates, you can choose Not Now if you want to, and then close it by tapping on OK. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of your Nokia if it's not already on. Then click on Receive at the bottom of an Android next to Send. Also on an Android, scroll down in Personalize your ad area and tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Nokia smartphone. Now you can click on all of those dots from all of those categories. And when you're ready, tap on Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. You can also just click on only a couple of them. Then tap on Send as well. From Waiting section, tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you wish to use the QR code, click on this scanning icon on an Android above User Guide. Tap on while using the app or only this time to allow camera access. And point your device's camera at the QR code in order to connect. If you wish to enter this 6-digit key though, you need to click on Input Key section instead, below Enter the key, and type in all of those numbers. Then, to connect, click on Receive button. After that, in the matter of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!